Consul.
Ay, naku. Naging ano pa yan. Balik sila sa Philippines. Yung Thai, magagagay din sa TV daw.
During our USDC, siyado ka na sa USDC. Sa USDC, lalakad ka lang sa loob ng campo. You just walk. Wala naman pupunta lang na nag-kotse or
MGM.com for terms and conditions. Must be 19 years of age or older. Ontario only. Please play responsibly. If you are purchased or insurance about your gateway or civil associate, please contact Haus Ontario at 1-866-531-2600 to speak to a advisor free of charge.
I have a question. Why do some companies only keep one reward the new people? Shouldn't everyone get rewarded? Public Mobile thinks so, and they've made rewarding you a priority with public points.
I just want to introduce myself. My name is JD Martinito. I am representing my parents and our staff of over 20 people, both North York and Scarborough. I am so happy to be part of this event, and I am so happy to see the faces behind the restaurants. Oh, okay. Okay po. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so happy to see the faces behind the restaurants. I mean, I could remember when I first came to Canada, one of the first restaurants I went to was actually Casa Manila. So it's just nice to see everyone gathering together and celebrating what the meaning why we have we put up a restaurant, which is to really not just advertise our food, but to remind our fellow kababayans that they don't have to miss home. They can just eat our food and they can feel like they're in the Philippines when they walk in our store. So what I have here is a very simple combo. I'm gonna wear my mask because you guys will be trying it later. So we have what's called sugbanig. We just recently launched this in our sugbanig. It's called sugbanig because it's sugba sa banig. Sugba, yes po. Sugba is grilled ihaw in Bisaya.
sinugba.
Yeah, sinugba. Opo. So we call it sugbanig platters. We usually cater like a bigger kamayan platter, but this is especially for the prefix meal of the Filipino Restaurant Month. In here is our Lechon garlic rice. I have 3 kinds that the customers can choose. They can choose liempo with chorizo. They can also choose our lechon garlic rice, of course, our Cebu lechon, our Bisaya-style lechon, and our customers' favorite barbecue. And also, for those who are not a fan of pork, they could also choose our chicken in asal. And we couldn't make the chicken barbecue today, but this is supposed to be chicken barbecue, but this is pork as well. So yeah, it's very special. This banig is very special to me and my family because this was specially made by people in the bukid, in the mountains. They were hand woven it, and I remember they even told us, wow, buti pa ang banig namin makapuntang Canada. So I'm really proud to tell that story to our customers every time they use it. So yeah, this is our banig platters. I hope you guys enjoy our food.
Are you from Cebu?
I am from Cebu, opo. I'm from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. Yes, opo. Yeah. So yeah, don't know what much to say about it, but the chorizo is really special as well. We make it in-house. Chorizo is a Bisaya-style longganisa. So for our version, we make it in-house. We have our own timpla. We don't add preservatives. And it also comes in a frozen package, which people can buy as well and make it at home. So yeah, 3 simple banig platters that they can choose from. If they also, I know that you don't see any vegetables here, but there are vegetables available in store.